Me, Robin and a couple of friends are now meeting up at the workshop. It's supposed to be at 1, it's 12:30. It's about half an hour drive for me, so I need to get cracking. But yeah, just a quick rundown. Basically, we're heading up to Manchester today. It's about a 5-hour drive for us, and we've got a hotel this evening, then hitting the show tomorrow. So I need to get cracking or I'm gonna be late.
YouTube camera out. I never been friends with a YouTuber before.
2.
I've been in one of your videos. But...
Hello.
You're going to take the piss out of me. I've got 2 bags, but I haven't got 2 bags because I need 2 bags. I brought an extra bag just in case. Oh, some cake there.
A bit of waffle wax.
What, love?
How you doing? I'm Rob, by the way. John.
Oh, come on. Mate, I'm just going to shove this in the car.
What's the postcode?
Sierra Kilo 10 to John Papa. Juliet Papa.
That's the hotel, isn't it?
I had to say it because you were there.
What?
I was talking phonetically, but instead of saying Juliet, I said John because you were standing there.
It's called.
Jonas. Titherington, yeah, it
Yes.
is. 150 miles away.
Yep.
Says you're going to arrive in 3 days.
You're walking.
3 days
Yeah,
later.
it's 2.5 days to get out of Norfolk. According to Waze, what's that? Best part of 50 miles shorter, go the A17, but it takes an extra 40 minutes.
Oh, wow.
Nah. Give that a miss.
What time does it say we get there?
20 past 5, but with my mouse-sized bladder, that'll be about 20 past 6. Won't it?
Yeah.
In fact, can we stop now?
Yeah. We might make midnight. Go.
You laugh, but you won't be in about an hour.
Mate, my missus wheezes every half an hour as well.
Not again. Not again.
It's the same with her. You have to factor in extra bloody 10 wee stops.
You're lucky you might have Tom and Jerry on the TV.
Stone and all that.
I've actually just set the tyres to
I
deflate
think that
every
was
30 minutes.
the petrol station we stopped at, wasn't it? And filled the golf bus. Is that the one?
What, this one?
No, the one outside the road.
Oh, right. Oh, probably, mate. Oh, no, it won't.
Wasn't it?
Nah.
What is it, 50p? A credit card for fucking fuel? Are you kidding me?
Why are we here, mate? Got a flat tyre?
Yeah, might have.
Yeah.
He did bring the talk set, that was his mouth.
Quick change. She's going to get me cheaper. There we go.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's alright.
Alright then.
Is that as tight as it'll go, you reckon? I'll put these in the... Got a surgeon's toolkit.
No fucking 2-bucket method, is it? I mean, we can't have dirty wheels turning up to fit it.
Alright. Done. Start our journey. Onwards.
Jeez. Look at that, I've bloody fixed the car and I've valeted it.
See, this is what I don't get. And then they'll go and put a mobile phone in their pocket.
Yeah, exactly.
Walk around.
Yeah.
I'd never argue, I'd say alright, no worries. That's a couple of millions worth. Yeah, probably. I'm just saying.
Left, left, left.
Probably back up there, but.
Oh, I bet it's there on the right.
Next right,
Yeah.
where that wall is. Not in the wall.
Yeah, Trav.
Yeah.
That'll help.
Here it be. It's a big building.
Sweet.
They're all plastic though, they aren't real. You can see through it.
We made it.
Child lock on.
Oh yeah.
That's quite right to say though. Chilly.
Oh, jeez.
What you say?
Rooms 28, 29. Oh, hang on, it's this level, right? Is it? Oh, yeah. Sweet. Ground floor as well, no lifts. Yes. This is me, man.
That's the right switch.
Locked out in the rooms, Trav.
Huh?
Locked out in the rooms, but I'm not sharing a bed with you.
Has John gone to
Sort that out, yeah.
Yeah.
I was looking at lights in the shower.
I'm sitting in there.
We can sit there, mate, together.
Sweet.
Never thought I'd be filming in a toilet.
Too close.
Where's the burger then?
Well, haven't tried it yet.
You nursing at me?
Yeah. Chips are good. Squid rings are nice.
What do you reckon of your Southern Comfort?
Good.
Doubles? Of course they are.
Of course we are. Triples.
6 o'clock start in the morning.
6 AM start.
Nah, 7.
Well, 6 AM alarm.
We've got to be in here for 7 o'clock. We aren't going to go for 7 o'clock, are you? Can't do that and get dressed.
Yeah, I am.
I've got to get
I'm
out.
rolling out of bed and just rolling up the brick.
I've got to get out, shower, do my hair.
That's going to take a couple of days, isn't it?
I know, look at it.
Not that cute without doing all that work, are you?
Mate, I'm hoping they split the beds.
I'm hoping they haven't.
Oh, okay. I'm down. I'm DTF.
All of your beds have now been taken.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
I wanted to spoon
Hang
it,
on.
right?
That was John, wasn't it? Yeah, fucking John.
Thank you.
Yeah, we've all been winds out for you.
Oh no, you ruined the
cheers.
fun for us.
Sweet, mate.
Oh, fucking awful, mate. Fucking hell.
Yoli.
Yeah, the same.
Awful.
Great.
John's on his
hell.
breakfast.
Just look fucking lovely, mate.
Oh, banging.
Banging.
That's one of us.
If I drink water, I will be sick.
Morning.
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 What, it's like 14 miles to the show?
45 minutes, though,
45 minutes.
apparently. Not on a Sunday morning, though.
Yeah, I was going to say, hopefully not this morning. Hopefully that's changed a bit since last year.
Driver on the golf course, I'm sure they love that.
Stick some 11s down on the green.
Then at the roundabout, turn left onto A538, Manchester Road.
This is the one, isn't it?
Yeah, Tickler's car park.
You registered?
Yeah, mate.
Where do I go?
Nice.
This feels bizarre.
Feels like we're fucking in some bunker. An MI6 bunker. It's like bloody,
Probably is.
it's like Skyfall when they're in that bloody underground. This is pretty sick, isn't it?
There's loads of spaces. Ah, look at that. Right behind the little Fiat 500. That's the fucking ticket, or
Paid for it.
Oh, she's still live.
pounding still.
Is it?
That is nice.
Maybe not on the beers, mate.
Oh, no, too tight.
Ollie with his 2 Coronas, he's got a headache.
3, mate. 3's a lot. Just give me a minute.
Sorry mate, you work that headache off. And that's a Liberty Walk Ferrari.
Got me.
Do you reckon?
Yeah. Main man.
Koshy as well. That's lovely, that mate.
Thanks, mate. Yeah, I've just fucked the alloy on the way here.
Oh, that one?
Yeah. Taking a turning that I take every single day, all my life. I was half asleep. So yeah, there was a great timing.
Oh, yeah.
I'll be sorted this week. It's just like part of it. I don't care about the top bits, that's easy, but it's actually like getting it.
Yeah, I can see the top there.
I'll get it sorted, but it's just annoying.
Done a lot of walking then. Look how fucking brown they've got.
See my feet. Yeah, they've done some miles yesterday. You know what I mean? But box fresh yesterday. Everyone has like really posh, nice trainers, really into it. I just turn up and do. Yeah, exactly. I love that. There we go.
How are you feeling after your breakfast?
Yeah, good, better.
Yeah,
Yeah, good. You?
definitely.
Well,
Mate,
you didn't have breakfast,
I didn't have
did you?
breakfast, mate. Just a quick cheeky coffee
Yeah,
for me.
it's all that bit.
So, mate, I'm looking forward to it.
Mate, yeah, I can't wait.
Yep.
What's the time now? We've got like an hour, haven't we?
Yeah, about an hour, yeah.
So hopefully we're going to miss queues.
Yep.
And yeah, getting
I
that.
feel a bit romantic with my arm around you, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's quite nice, isn't it, walking through Manchester? You know, set the scene.
To
So that's Fitted 2021 done.
Mate, cleared up, done.
Yep. So
First show of the year?
what we've come away with there is that we need a lowrider on hydraulics,
Maybe.
just because Ollie doesn't like them.
Hang on, I've come away there thinking I need to finish the Sora.
You want to finish a Sora. Transit's going on air.
Transit's definitely going on there.
Maybe even the Escort.
Maybe.
Maybe. We'll wait and see.
Yeah. Mate, what's your verdict on your first car show?
I really enjoyed it.
Yeah?
There was a lot more stuff there than I was expecting to see.
Yeah?
I just like the variety and loads of different stuff from Japanese to, do you see that little Russian car?
Russian car?
Yeah, like the little Vladimir Putin mobile.
No.
You see that?
No.
Slammed out. That was
No.
pretty cool. No big Mercs. Well, not many big Mercs. I didn't see any C63s. Pardon the E92 in the background.
Yeah.
Pretty
Sending
big.
it. Oh, we're over here.
We're over
Ollie.
here, lads.
Oh, really? No, he's looking at some shiny stuff.
Like a little pot.
Hang on. Zoom! Mate, car of the show.
For me,
Yeah.
that Acti.
Really?
Yeah, I like that.
Did you
Acti.
like it?
Yeah, I liked that.
And the Transit?
Yeah, that was nice.
Not car of the show though.
Well, definitely not car of the show, and I
No.
didn't like the bed. The bed on it looked a bit.
Yeah, I suppose.
Yeah, it looks a bit toy town, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, that Acti, mate, when we're coming out, I just thought that's cool.
That was pretty cool. Dude, car of the show.
For me, probably the 8 Series BMW, the red one.
Red one?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Or
that was
maybe
pretty
the
sick.
garage Midnight R32.
Yeah.
Or was it 34? I don't know, the black
The
one.
black one. Yeah,
Yeah.
that was pretty sick, wasn't it? Mate, fitment on that BMW.
Or the red Beamer. Yeah, something else,
Lush.
wasn't it?
Yeah.
Millimetre perfect.
Ollie, car of the show, mate. Car of the show.
It's got to be Max's Evo Resto notchback.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There you go.
That hit me up with an air ride kit.
Yeah, all sponsors from Automotive Finesse and Swallow.
Yeah, don't forget, James. I want a sponsorship, mate. I've carried this round since 10 o'clock and my right arm is killing me.
You said he was a twat. I'm sorry. We can get that on camera.
Let's wrap this video up here. Thank you.